Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have your knitting on the needles. Start casting off now. Knit the first stitch normally, then lift the previous stitch over the newly knit stitch and off the needle. This removes one stitch and secures the edge. Once done, yarn over is not needed here. Make sure tension is even but not tight. Keep your thumbs relaxed because tight binds will pucker the edge. Continue this knit and pass rhythm to create a neat, stable cast-off edge. Now focus on the middle of the process where uneven tension shows. After every knit and pass, check the loop size on the working needle. You want uniform loops. If one stitch tightens, slip it back and reknit to relax the yarn. Once done across several repeats, you can adjust by briefly loosening the yarn with your fingers to even things out. This is where patience matters. Slow, measured movements prevent dropped stitches and keep the edge straight, and you're at the final stitch. Good job. Cut the yarn leaving a 6 to 8 inch tail, then pull that tail through the last loop and tighten to secure the end. Weave the tail into the fabric using a yarn needle with 5 to 8 small stitches to anchor it invisibly. If the edge looks too tight or puckered, undo the last few stitches and recast off looser, or block the finished piece to relax the cast-off edge and restore shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.